So, welcome to Attachment Studios 4, and I'm Attachment Aditya. Over here, I guess we have made something like this in my last video, except that there were only two lines in ending. So, I don't wish to start this yet. I don't wish to shave it now, but we will hope for the one time only. So, I guess today we need a typing mechanism, so it's your choice to either save it or continue. So I will just continue. Left dot key press. Well, if you see the code before this main function, another function, then you will just feel like it's not typing. I guess you will feel like that. And so to stop that, we need to do something like make a function for keeping it easy. So we will name as function type, and here's key or type or wait, typing. I guess we cannot write, so let's like typing and do like text or T. Let's like text most probably, and then do like something like and. Now if you want to create an AI, this is possible using making a function, and yeah, this is like that only. Now what you need to do is simply go ahead and write uh, for, or wait, okay, for I is equals to 1 comma hashtag character. Now we will be using the word like hashtag table more frequently because we want the length of these tables more often and actually for the entities. But before that, let's go ahead and end this loop. Now we will write if uh, character, or wait, if text is equals to character and character list item number. So item I, that is this one, this I. So if the item number I of character is text, then or let's like ch that represents character. So ch, then actually end, and then we will write something like table dot insert, and then we will write the table name. For here we want the table type history, so that the typing type letter goes to this table, and we will have something like text will be displayed easily. So that's like this. And yes, don't forget to write comma ch. Now what this does is that it will just say to add ch in the table this at last position. Well, there are commands to keep it in first one, but your choice. Actually, it's like okay, that's the function typing. So now underneath here, we need to write k. K means key for here, and you can, there is special words inside brackets of functions are arguments or variable arguments that can be changed. You can write A, B, C, D, whatever you want, but I prefer the first letter of the word, like key, K, and character, CH. Simple. Now let's go for writing typing, then a bracket. Don't forget the K to write over here. Well, you need to write, otherwise it will not input anything actually. Yeah, yeah. So it should input, and like this, letters will be added to the type history and you can see text. Yeah, and I guess that's how you write. But there are still a few problems, like how how would you hmm, how would you use backspace, or how would you do something like space only? So for that, uh, we'll do like we can actually convert that to an AI option. So let's like function uh, special letters, special characters, or uh, special SP input. So these are the special input, and then we will write the input. So hmm and I guess two input. So two input and two input. So or we can do something new. Let's think for a second. So that will be character, and this is input. So if input, wait, let's go ahead and shift that here to make it better. So input, that will be our K uh, in there over here. So SP input, and then K. So this is the input, and it will check the key that will be pressed. Yeah, so this K is the argument to say which key is pressed. Now over here we have something like, here is the character. If character exists in the table, then it will do. Then okay, for now over here we'll write input is equals to, and it's a if, and we will write then end. Okay, we will not end right now, but uh, we will write this control C, control V, and we'll write represent character. So RCH is represent. You can keep it capital to separate, make it look like separate. So represented character is R capital CH, and what this will do is that it will add this on this input, that is, let's assume that as space. So it will do something like this. You can say that like that, you can. So now it's like this. Actually, let's do like character input, because it's special characters. uh, Character input, Then over here we'll write k comma character, that is, don't forget to use strings space, uh, and then again a comma. And what a space looks like, it's a space, simple. Now similarly you can do something like tab. So for example this sp input k comma uh, tab comma 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So generally tabs are like 4 spaces, so that's why 4 spaces. Then it's your choice actually. And let's do like hmm like uh, for enter keys we can actually do that, like we can also have a enter key, because enter key is actually we need to write a text and a slash n that will shift you to the next line. Slash n, that means next line, slash n forward slash n, next line, simple. And that's the simple commands actually. Now I prefer to do something like write here some text like this. So we can have an option, I guess, to see what's actually going on here. And you can actually also, this is the same thing like text marker that you are in this line over this point. So you can do something like underscore as well, because it's a basic one. And if you want, then you can also do something like crazy stuff like uh, representer equals text, and inside that text this, and do something like okay, you can experiment, but I would suggest not right now. Still it's okay if you want to, but be careful. Well, actually not that careful, but that's it. Yeah, I will not show you. Till now I still want to make it go like that, so I guess we can also make a removing option. So let's just use and make a backspace before ending this video in a minute. So simply function uh, remove character, and then in that we will write k for the character to remove. So it's like input again, then character, or actually just input to remove the last character. Let's end actually right end, not just end, but at last we'll do like if uh, do like input and then key actually. Okay, so that's the key. So if key is equals to required input key, so by now you must know what arguments are to make them like AI. You can directly just write these lines instead of writing function this that to make it easier for you. But to remove multiple writing, I'm just doing like this short way actually. So over here we will write table dot remove, and then we will remove from type history while seeing in the table dot insert and table dot remove. Don't use the table character because you don't want to remove any character, but you want to remove from the history to make it look appropriate. So type history, comma, uh, the last item, that is item number, that is hashtag type history. And that's it. Just this much. And yes, don't forget to write over here sp, oh wait, remove ch, that was there, and input is k, and the key is backspace. Another thing that this will not work, this line, oh no, this line will not work. And specifically why? Because we have written enter over here and it should be technically return. I hope, because love senses American keyboard inputs, and for that enter is return or something, I guess starting from R, so it is return. So because it returns a value, that the given value is returned, so return, and then a slashing. You can add your custom if you have more inputs in your keyboard. Well, you can also do something like uh, let's like control D over here, right? uh, LCTRL, and over here you can write something like LCTRL, left control. It's your choice actually. So that's the case, but still I'm not going to do something like that to make it even more confusing. So till here, just that's it. Thanks for watching till last if you are watching. That's it.